This painting is also a little confusing from the photo reference that I received. It's no clear directional light. So we're only going to base on what we have over here. So my suggestion that would be the focal point should be on this lighthouse. And the top of the roofs already make this section of the house really clear because the contrast. But what about over here? How can we make this lighthouse, this portion of the lighthouse, this tower, to stand out a little more? So we're gonna use a little cast shadow under here, a little bit shady, a little bit down over here, and also we're gonna use the sky. And also we need to make the front over here a little bit brighter. So let's take a look what we can do. So first for the tower, so I'm gonna get a little blue color like this, and I'm gonna come up over here, like over there. Now it creates some contrast between the top part and the lower part, and coming down over here like this. And actually that looks good, and I can soften that a little bit if you would, like that. It stands out a little bit already. But the next thing is I'm going to use the sky. Okay, I'm going to make the sky a little bit darker, on this side, on the light side, right? I'm going to have it coming up like this. Now we create more contrast to the tower. And also the same thing over here. We can actually add a little shape over here, to fine tune it in coming over here this direction, and now we can make the sky a little bit more active. Now soften that a little bit over here like that. That's good. And now you can see, because the sky over here a little bit darker, now you can see on this side it creates a little bit more impact to the light side of the tower. Oh, that's good, right? And now let's take a look at the front over here. And first I'm gonna add a little green color, make it a little brighter. And over here I'm gonna add a little bit brighter color in here. And second thing, on this side I'm going to organize the color a little bit better. I'm gonna add a little blue color and a little green. I'm gonna shade it a little bit so I have this area organized a little bit better. And when we organize things, we make it look simpler and cleaner. Okay, like that. And maybe add a little color coming down over here too, like that. So hopefully this painting, it get a little bit improved. Now we can use a little bit blue color also over here, can be a little bit, tone it down a little bit, and add a little this blue-gray color coming down like this. And so it lessens the contrast between the dark color and the wall, and make it a little bit softer. Why we're doing that? Because we want the attention to be in this area, in the tower, in the focal point. Let's take a look before and after. A little lost over here, right? And this is a little bit too much texture. Take a look at after, how it look. The focal point, it bring out a little more. And if you can, using lifting off to make this row a little bit lighter, okay, clean it up a little bit, and would bring out this a little bit better. The other thing is make the distant mountain a little bit lighter, because right now it looks like two hills, it's very close by. And you can push that a little bit further by make it lighter, close to the color of the sky. It will make it a little bit much further away. I hope this feedbacks would help you for your next landscape painting.